वेलकम टू द कृष्णा कॉमर्स हब। कृष्णा कॉमर्स हब में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बिजनेस फाइनेंस। व्हाट इज बिजनेस फाइनेंस? मीनिंग, बिजनेस फाइनेंस इज द स्टडी एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हाउ फर्म्स रेज, एलोकेट एंड मैनेज मनी फंड्स टू रन operations, grow and create value for owners. In simple words, where will money come from? How will money be used? How will we manage risks? Example, a new factory needs 10 crore. Finance decide whether to use bank loan, equity or retained earning. Objectives of financial management. First ऑब्जेक्टिव है वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन प्राइमरी, मैक्सिमाइज शेयर होल्डर्स वेल्थ मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर्स। सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव है प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन ट्रेडिशनल, मैक्सिमाइज अकाउंटिंग प्रॉफिट शॉर्टर व्यू। लिक्विडिटी में एंश्योर फर्म कैन पे शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्लिगेशंस। Fourth है safety, protect capital and ensure stable operations. Fifth is optimal capital structure, mix of debt and equity that minimize cost and risk. Sixth is efficient utilizations, use funds in projects giving best returns. Example, choosing a project with higher net present value increases shareholder wealth. Scope, areas of business finance. फर्स्ट है इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन, कैपिटल बजटिंग, लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स। फाइनेंसिंग डिसीजन, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड सोर्सेज, मिक्स्ड डेप्ट, इक्विटी, हाइब्रिड्स। डिविडेंड डिसीजंस, डिविडेंड पॉलिसी, हाउ मच प्रॉफिट टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट। वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट, मैनेज करंट एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटीज। फाइनेंशियल मार्केट एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस, where funds are raised, traded. Risk management and insurance, control financial risk. Financial analysis and planning, ratio, forecasting, budgets. Next, time value of money, AVM. Money now not equal to money later. 1 rupees today is worth more than 1 rupees next year. जो आज 1 रुपया जो वर्थ है वो अगले साल नहीं होगा। तो टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी, फॉर्मूलाज, फ्यूचर वैल्यू, सिंगल अमाउंट। कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं फ्यूचर वैल्यू को? प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ब्रैकेट में 1 + RN। प्रेजेंट वैल्यू पीवी, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? पीवी प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इक्वल टू FV फ्यूचर वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय 1 + RN। एन्युटी फ्यूचर वैल्यू FVN A इंटू 1 + RN - 1 over R। प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ एन्युटी PV एन्युटी इक्वल टू A मल्टीप्लाई 1 माइनस ब्रैकेट में 1 + R और ब्रैकेट क्लोज करके -N over R। एग्जाम्पल 10,000 टूडे 8% फॉर 3 years। तो उसका फ्यूचर वैल्यू 10,000 दिया है 1.083। तो इसका आंसर कितना आएगा? 12,597 अप्रॉक्स। नेक्स्ट है कैपिटल बजटिंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट अप्रेजल। पर्पज, चूज प्रॉफिटेबल लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट। नेट present value NPV sigma n t equal to 0 CFT over ब्रैकेट में 1 plus RT less initial investment except if NPV greater than 0. Example, invest 1 lakh to get 30,000 per year for 4 years and rate of interest 10%. Calculate PV of inflows and subtract 1 lakh. Internal rate of return IRR. Rate R where NPV equal to 0 except if RRR internal rate of return greater than capital cost of capital. Payback period, time of ROIC of initial investment, simple but ignores time value. Profitability index PI equal to PV of future cash flows divided by initial investment except PI greater than 1. Modified internal rate of return MIRR, alternative to IRR when multiple IRR exist. Practical tip, use NPV as primary, IRR as secondary, payback for liquidity view. Next, cost of capital. Cost of capital, weighted average cost of funds used by a firm, the required return demanded by providers of capital. Components क्या है? Cost of debt KD equal to RD 1 minus T, where RD is interest rate, T is tax rate. Cost of preference shares KP DP divided by PP, dividend preference shares, preference price. Cost of equity dividend model KE D1 P0 plus G Gordon model, और via CAPM KE equal to RF plus beta RM minus RF. Weighted average cost of capital WACC. WACC equal to WEKE plus WDKD 1 minus T plus WPKP, where WE, WD, WP are weights of equity debt preference. Example, if WACC 10% project with expected return 12% is acceptable. Capital structures, meaning mix of debt and equity financing. Trade-off theory, debt offers tax shield, interest tax deduction but increases financial risk. Optimal capital structures, balances tax benefits versus bankruptcy cost. Measures ratio, debt equity ratio D divided by E, debt ratio D over D plus C. Leverage, operating leverage, fixed versus variable cost effect on profit. और financial leverage, use of debt increase EPS volatility. Combined leverage, some effects. Example, a firm with high operating leverage and high financial leverage is very risky. Source of finance. फाइनेंस के सोर्स क्या है? लॉन्ग टर्म, पहले तो इक्विटी शेयर, ऑर्डिनरी शेयर्स, ओनरशिप, डिविडेंड, वेरिएबल. फिर प्रेफरेंस शेयर, डिवेंचर बॉन्ड्स, टर्म्स लोन, रिटेन्ड अर्निंग, लीज फाइनेंसिंग, वेंचर कैपिटल, प्राइवेट इक्विटी, पब्लिक इशूज, राइट इशू, बोनस शेयर्स. ये सब जो है लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस के सोर्सेज हैं. फिर है शॉर्ट टर्म, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट, ट्रेड क्रेडिट, कॉमर्शियल पेपर, CP, अनसिक्योर्ड शॉर्ट टर्म फॉर बिग फर्म्स. और फैक्टोरिंग, इनवाइस डिस्काउंटिंग, वर्किंग कैपिटल लोन्स, हाइपोथेकेशन, कैश क्रेडिट, ये सब जो है लॉन्ग टर्म के सोर्स हैं. Example, seasonal working capital finance by short-term bank credit. Next, working capital management. Meaning of working capital management: managing current asset and liabilities to ensure liquidity and profitability. Components क्या है इसके? करंट एसेट्स, करंट लाइबिलिटी. करंट एसेट्स में क्या आया? कैश, इन्वेंट्री, रिसीवेबल्स. करंट लाइबिलिटी में आया पेबल्स, शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग. वर्किंग कैपिटल टाइप्स कौन कौन से हुए? ग्रॉस वर्किंग कैपिटल और नेट वर्किंग कैपिटल NWC. ग्रॉस वर्किंग कैपिटल टोटल करंट एसेट्स और नेट में करंट एसेट माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटीज. वर्किंग कैपिटल पॉलिसीज: कंजर्वेटिव हाई करंट एसेट्स, लो रिस्क लो रिटर्न. अग्रेसिव में लो करंट एसेट्स, हाई रिस्क हाई रिटर्न. मैचिंग ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज. की रेशोज है करंट रेशो, करंट एसेट डिवाइडेड बाय करंट लाइबिलिटीज. क्विक रेशो एसिड टेस्ट CA, करंट एसेट माइनस इन्वेंट्री divided by current liabilities. Inventory turnover COGS divided by average inventory. Cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Receivable turnover sales divided by average receivables. Cash management tools: cash budget, Bumol model, Miller or model. Example, tightening credit policy reduce receivable but may lower sales. Next, dividend policy. Question: how much profit to pay out as dividend as versus retain for reinvestment? Models, theories. Walter's model: dividend policy depends on relationship between internal rate of return and cost of capital. Gordon model, similar of Walter, uses constant growth. Modigliani Miller, dividend irrelevance. In perfect markets, dividend policy is irrelevant with assumptions. Bird in the hand: investors prefer certain dividends, however uncertain future capital gains. Factor influencing dividend decisions: profitability, cash positions, growth opportunities, taxation, shareholder preference, legal restrictions. Example, high growth firm usually retains earning to finance projects, low dividend. Financial market and instruments. Financial market type: money market short term funds, T-bills, CP, call money, regulated by RBI in India. नेक्स्ट है कैपिटल मार्केट: लॉन्ग टर्म फंड, इक्विटी, शेयर्स, बॉन्ड, डिवेंचर्स, रेगुलेटेड बाय सेबी. प्राइमरी मार्केट जो है वो न्यू सिक्योरिटी इशूड, IPO, FPO. सेकेंडरी मार्केट में ट्रेडिंग एग्जिस्टिंग सिक्योरिटी, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स: शेयर्स, बॉन्ड, डिवेंचर, डेरिवेटिव्स, फ्यूचर ऑप्शंस, mutual funds. Example, company floats IPO to raise equity, investors buy in primary market, later trade in stock exchange. Financial analysis and planning. Financial statements analysis understand financial health using balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow. Important ratios: profitability, ROE, net profit margin. Liquidity, current ratio, quick ratio. Solvency, debt over equity, interest coverage, efficiency. Inventory turnover, assets turnover. Funds flow and cash flow analysis. Study sources and uses of fund cash generations. Next, financial planning, forecasting. Projections of future funds required. Use pro forma statements, percentage of sales method, pro forma balance sheet. Example, if projected sales grow 20%, forecasts will estimate additional working capital needs. Risk management and corporate insurance. Types of risk: market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, operational risk, exchange rate risk. Risk management tool: hedging with derivatives, future options swap for price currency. interest rate risk. Insurance protect against unexpected events, fire, theft. Diversification spread investment to reduce unsystematic risk. Credit analysis and limits to control default risk. Example: exporter hedges foreign receivable using forward contract to look exchange rate. Next, valuation of securities. Equity valuations. Dividend discount model DDM. P over E multiples discounted cash flow. DCF, discounted cash flow. Gordon growth model equal to P0 equal to D1 K minus G. Bond valuation PV of coupons plus PV of principal. Example: a bond paying 100 rupees coupon annually for 10 years at 8% discount price equal to sum of discounted coupons plus discounted face value. Mergers, acquisitions and corporate restructuring. Merger and acquisitions शॉर्ट में M&A, combined companies for synergy, market shares, diversifications. Types: horizontal, same industry; vertical, supplier, customer, conglomerate, unrelated. Valuation and payment. Cash shares combination valuation method. DCF, comparable multiples. Regulations. In most countries, M&A needs approval from competition authorities. Prevent monopolies. Example: a large FMCG acquiring a regional brand to expand reach. Initial public offering, IPO and SEBI guidelines. Conceptual. IPO: company offers shares to public for first time. Key steps: appointment of merchant banker, due diligence, offer documents, prospectus, pricing, allotment, listing. Regulatory role: stock market regulator SEBI in India ensure transparency and investor protections. Look at disclosure: promoter lock in minimum public shareholding, etc. Example: a startup become public via IPO to raise capital for scaling. Corporate governance and finance, meaning system of rules practices to ensures accountability, transparency, fairness. फिर है फाइनेंस रेलिवेंस. Proper disclosures of financial independent directors, audit committee, controlling related party transactions. Prudent risk management, protecting minority shareholders. Example: mandatory audit and disclosure of related party transaction to avoid misuse. Next है behavioral finance, short overview. Combine psychology and finance. Investors are not always rational. Key biases: overconfidence, herd behavior, loss aversion, anchoring. Implication: market on anomalies and bubbles affect valuation and investment decisions. Example: retail investors following a trending stock without fundamentals. Next है international finance belief. Topic to know: exchange rate mechanism, foreign currency borrowing, country risk, FDI financing, trade finance, letter of credit, hedging, forex risk. Example: a company borrows in USD must manage exchange risk if revenues are in INR. Recent trends, areas to remember for exam. Rise of fintech, digital payments, P2P lending, green finance, ESG investing, greater use of derivatives and risk management tools, increased regulatory focus on disclosure and corporate governance, securitizations and structured finance. Key formulas, one page summary. FV equal to PV 1 minus Rn, PV FV over 1 plus Rn, NPV sigma CFT divided by 1 plus RT minus investment. IRR solve NPV equal to 0. WACC sigma WIKI after tax for debt. Current ratio, current asset divided by current liability. Quick ratio CA, the current asset less inventory over current liabilities. Break even point, fixed cost over price less variable cost. फिर short worked example, capital budgeting. Project cost 1 lakh, expected cash inflow 30,000 each year for 4 years, discount rate 10%. तो calculation of NPV cash inflow, sigma cash inflow over 1 plus RT minus initial investment. तो PV 30,000 multiply 3.1699 equal to 95097, NPV equal to 95097 less 1 lakh equal to minus 4903. तो project rejection because NPV less than 0. How to study business finance for UGC NET JRF. Understand concept TVM, NPV, cost of capital. Memorize key formulas and practice numerical problems. Practices in MCQ from previous year on ratio, capital budgeting, cost of capital. Make one page sheet WACC investment decision steps, working capital ratio. Revise regulatory bodies and instruments, RBI, SEBI, money market instrument. Attempt case-based questions, small scenario plus calculation plus conclusion. Quick reasons checklist, time, value of money, PV and FV. NPV and IRR versus IRR, WACC formula and components, working capital ratio, dividend theories, primary versus secondary marketing, bond and stock valuation basics. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.